Some active individuals can use additional mobility support, whether they're on their own or with a companion. This is why Drive Medical developed their innovative Duet Rollator transport chair. Drive Medical's Duet combines the features of an independently rolled walker, also called a rollator, with attributes of a transport chair that is pushed by a caregiver or loved one. As a rollator, individuals are provided additional support to help maintain their balance or stability while walking, creating less fatigue when performing daily activities. The Duet's handles are contoured for comfort and adjustable for height. On days when a little help is desired, the Duet easily converts to a transport chair, allowing a companion to safely push the seated person with ease. This padded contoured backrest is reversible to support its use as a rollator or transport chair. This comfortable padded seat, which is easy to clean, has a large pouch underneath for added privacy and security of personal items. And inside the pouch there is a convenient handle to aid with folding. The armrest and footrest are height adjustable. To transition the Duet back to a rollator, simply flip down these armrests, fasten with the safety lock. Flip up the footrest and secure it with this Velcro strap. Then move the backrest. The safety lock on the frame prevents the Duet from folding while in use, but when storing the Duet, the safety lock must be released. The Duet can support up to 300 pounds, yet weighs only 19 pounds, making it easy to lift in and out of a vehicle. And its 8-inch wheels add stability on uneven surfaces. The Duet also comes in 3 attractive color options. Users can also choose to add on a cup holder for added convenience, and the Light and Go Mobility Light with patented technology that activates with motion or darkness for enhanced safety. You can always count on Drive Medical to bring you convenient and innovative lifestyle solutions, now and for the road ahead.